Tailor Brands Invoice Generator tutorial. If you need professional invoices fast and quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Tailor Brands Invoice Generator to create branded invoice in a minute. Step 1. Log into your Tailor Brands account. From your dashboard, go to Business Tools. Click on Invoice Generator. Step 2. Enter your business name, logo, and contact details. This will appear at the top of your invoice for a professional look. Step 3. Fill in your client's name, email, and business info. Double check for spelling and accuracy. It will be used for sending the invoice. Step 4. Add each product or service provided. Input your description, quantity, rate, and Tailor Brands will automatically calculate totals. Add tax or discount if needed. Step 5. Add a payment due date or terms. Include a personal thank you note or refund policy, but this is an optional. Step 6. Preview the invoice to check layout and branding. Click Download PDF or send via email directly from the platform. And that's it.